Right, so we just got this. It's a German Kriblon Nonstick coating saucepan. And it's excellent non-sticking effect. So I don't know, it says it's German, but is it from Germany? I don't know. It's made in China. It says German, but it's made in China. All right, so anyway, let's take a look at it. And we got to unbox this bad boy, right? The hardest part is just getting the box open. Oh my gosh, there we go. Okay, we're doing pretty good now. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I think it's got a top to it, so. Oh, wait a minute, I think that might be the handle. Let's put that, yeah, it says short handle on it. Here it is. Here we go. Look at that. All right, so now we gotta get all this plastic off of here. It looks like we're gonna need a Phillips head. I'm not sure. So this is how it comes. You're gonna have to do a little bit of work there. And it has this thing on here, so I guess that protects it. You know, that's like a protective thing. Set that down. All right, so there it is. There's the top. That's pretty nice, huh? Looks like a nice top. And set this down. Let's take a look at it. All right, so take care of your non-stick pan. It will last longer. So it gives you some instructions on how to do this. And you know, looks interesting though, right? Look at that. All right, let's get the handle here. All right, so let's open up the handle. Oh, nice, wooden. Looks pretty good. So you got to put the screw in there. And I do believe that we would have to remove the screw from here. And we're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. You follows me? So this is gonna go like that. And then this goes right in there. Just like that. I think. There we go. And then we just gotta Phillips head that baby in there. And so we gotta get it in there, so I got a Phillips head. Of course, this is a little difficult because it's not really, you know, doesn't have a lot of room to get this thing in there. I think I'm getting it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. This might have a tendency to pull. All right, I think we got it. There we go. Set her here. And then bam, Bob's your uncle. Look at that. How do you like those apples? Yeah, looks good. It did come with this, which is an additional screw, just in case you lose the one that that you had. But yeah, that's basically it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where we cook something in this.